Dear students, here is the theoretical part of the cosmopolitan cocktail. If we focus on its recipe part, its recipe says we'll have to add 45 ml of an vodka, 15 ml of Cointreau or triple sec. Here, very important thing is both Cointreau and triple secs are basically the liquor, and both are transparent in natures, and both is having the flavor of orange. If we talk about the Cointreau, it is a proprietor liquors which would be very much expensive in the market. In the market, you are going to find it around in the range of 2000 rupees. Whereas if you talk about the triple sec, it is the generic liquors. This can be available in the market with the price of approximately around 400 to 500. There is one more thing here, the quantity of the alcohol 45 plus 15, because both the Cointreau and the triple sec would be containing the alcohol. If you will combine both of this thing, it will come around 60 ml, right? But in case if you are using the triple sec which is non-alcoholic, then in that particular cases, as I have shown you in the video also, there you will have to increase this vodka content to 60 ml if you are using the non-alcoholic version of the triple sec, as I have shown you in the video. Next would be you would be using 120 ml of cranberry juice, 10 ml of lemon juice, 5 medium sized ice cubes, and this particular one lemon, half of the lemon we are going to use it for the garnish, and half of the lemon we are going to use for in place of this particular lemon juice. So we have two options: either we can use the lemonade or either we can use the fresh lime juice. That would be better. Now focus on the method of making it. First of all, we need to rim the glass with castor sugar. Rimming the glass, as you all know, means we will have to apply the castor sugars or maybe the powdered sugar if castor sugar is not available around the rim of the glass. Then we will have to chill the glass by putting ice cubes into it, and as I have shown in the video also, you will have to shake and strain into a cocktail glass. There is very important thing you will have to keep in your mind is the measure of the martini glass. If you are having the cocktail or the martini glass which is less than 300 ml or which is less than 10 fluid ounce, then in that case you will have to bring out the variation in the recipes, and in that case rather than going with the 120 ml of the cranberry juice, you can reduce the quantity of the cranberry juice in that case if your martini glass is of small in natures. Generally we find the martini glass in three variations, and this 300 ml is the largest one. After that we'll have to garnish with the lemon wedge, and after garnishing with the lemon wedge we'll have to taste it. We'll have to see whether all its sweet and sour everything has been balanced or not, and if it has not been balanced, then we'll have to bring out the variations, and at last we'll have to serve to the guest.